The days where you spend a fortune just to buy a few slices of beef from the shop are long gone, because I'm going to show you how to make loads of them, and it tastes absolutely amazing. So you can make sandwiches that look like this. Start off by getting your beef. I'm having here like a roast joint beef. And firstly, we need to make the dry rub. I've got here some salt and pepper and my secret dry rub ingredients that is going to be shared on my website. I'm telling you, this rub is on another level. It makes it so tasty. So massage your beef on both sides and add on the bottom of your tray some garlic, onions, shallots, and I've got some rosemaries from my garden that I've washed and added on top. And then once you've done that, add your beef. Now all the instructions on how to cook that beef is going to be on my website with specific measurements, ingredients and temperature. So once we roast the rub, we put it on the side and we start making our wet marination. I've got here some black garlic, 2 types of mustard, American and English mustard, honey, tiny bit of oil, and some pickled thyme that I found in Turkey. You can use fresh if you want, and then I just massaged the whole beef. Make sure you get all the sides, the top, the bottom, everything. Once you've done that, cover it with foil and put it back in the oven until it reached the required temperature. Once it reached the required temperature, just put it back slightly in the oven just to give it that golden crispy top layer. And I'm telling you, make sure your beef rests for a good few hours. Like I rested mine for 3 hours before I even sliced it, overnight if you want as well. And look at the color of the beef, and the rub and the marination that we used on that beef makes all the difference. It's tangy, sticky, salty. You would not find this flavor in any shop, I promise you. The good things about this recipe is you can store it now in the freezer, use it on sandwiches or as a topping on a pizza. So what are you waiting for? Go click on the link in my description and make it. Enjoy.